Best Stand 2024 Top Picks for your home office. These are the best standing desks for improving your posture, health, and workspace. Switching from a regular desk to one of the best standing desks is not only better for your health, but doing so can also make for the perfect upgrade for your home office. I've built and tested more than a dozen standing desks by myself to help you find the right model for your needs and budget. Based on our in-depth reviews, the best standing desk overall is the Vari Electric Standing Desk. It's easy and quick to assemble, features an elegant design, and comes with useful accessories to make your life easier. If you're on a tight budget though, the Flexispot Electric Standing Desk can be had for just over $100 and still checks all the right boxes. Below you need to know about the best standing desks you can get today and learn more about our testing process. Whether you want a compact standing desk for a small space or even one with drawers for storage, there's something here for every budget and use case. Number 1. Best standing desk overall. Flexispot E7, our top pick for overall build quality and functionality. The Flexispot E7 is a quality height-adjustable standing desk, and one that comes with a competitive price tag for this impressive curved workspace. The surface is bamboo, with a total desk size of 140 cm x 71 cm, and an integrated wireless charger on the left-hand side. Overall, it exceeds what we'd expect in this range. Design and build quality. The E7 Pro Plus is made frequently, with a bamboo top and a set of teeth legs. During assembly, we could see the build quality's impressive, with the leg assembly and joints. The frame that bolts to the underside of the bamboo desktop is sturdy, the legs rigid, and everything fits together quite nicely. Performance. We had no issues during our time with the Flexispot E7 Pro Plus. The desk can rise and fall without issue. The wireless charger still charges Qi devices, and the desk has had no issues with the ever-changing desk setups we throw on it. We've even ridden it up and down a few times. Features. During our time with this desk, we have been able to test it as a true workstation, with many different arrangements. The E7 Pro Plus is large enough to hold quite a bit, while still being able to fit in most areas, without feeling so large that it's unusable. Even at a max height, this desk is relatively stable, granting us confidence our monitors and computers will stay put while we fiddle with cable management below. Further, the cable pass-through holes in the back corners also proved quite beneficial. We liked running cables through those areas and not having them dangle off the back of our desks. Granted, most of our setups with this desk have been pushed up against a wall, so cables running off the back wouldn't matter as much as if the desk was in the middle of the room. Lastly, the premium keypad is simple yet one of our favorites. It has 4 sets, one for sitting, one for standing, and 2 others. This allows us to know with absolute certainty what the sitting and standing height presets are without taking up any extra space in our brain to remember which preset is which. Value for money. The Flexispot E7 Pro Plus is a higher-end product, but that being said, thankfully, it's not so expensive that it is out of reach and is a quality desk for the money. Number 2. Best standing desk for accessories. UPLIFT V2. Customize and accessorize your workspace. Strong, stable, well-built, and fully customizable, the UPLIFT V2 is one of the best standing desk choices for those who need office furniture that fits the way you work. The dual motors mean the desk can change heights quickly with a smooth and quiet action, and anti-collision tech is also in the mix. The UPLIFT V2 also benefits from many mounting points for accessories like surge protectors and a keyboard tray. You can even hook up an underdesk hammock. Yes, you read that right. It comes in the box and attaches underneath when the rising desk is fully raised, although it's not compatible with V2 commercial or 4-leg models. If there's any testament you need to the stability of this unit, it's being able to sleep in a hammock under it. While we may not have slept an entire night in this underdesk hammock, we have tried it out a few times without any issues. Design and build quality. The overall quality of this desk is pretty good, but admittedly not the absolute best in every way. There are a few areas that are visible that are cheaper pieces, which we do not fault UPLIFT for in the slightest. However, the average user probably wouldn't notice these areas if this is their first standing desk, or if they don't review such products for a living. What's important to note is that this desk is built well, and shouldn't have any issues for you. Performance: the V2 has a smooth and quiet motor that helps with easy and quick height adjustments. Additionally, thanks to its vast selection of accessories, this desk can be truly flexible in how it operates by way of mounting grids and more. The desktop we chose was plenty large for multiple monitors or even ultra-wide displays, so we are confident you can fit a majority of the desk setups that a user of this desk would need. Lastly, we were pleased to see that the anti-collision sensors worked, keeping any potential accidents regarding the lowering of the desk at bay. Features: continuing on with how beneficial the customization is on this desk, the features that can be added at point of purchase make this desk an impressive desk. This includes a wireless foot switch and a Bluetooth adapter to get reminders to sit and stand direct to your phone. While with other companies, you may have to choose between different desks entirely to change the amount of features that you can change with this desk, UPLIFT allows it all to be run through the ordering experience from the beginning. Value for money: perhaps, with the option to choose individual add-ons, we felt like we were in control of the cost. We felt we had a hand in the creation, so we feel it's of higher value. Outside of this, the desk is a higher cost on paper than other similar competitors. It's also worth mentioning that the company has increased its warranty from 10 years to 15 years, which is always welcome. Given these factors, we feel that the UPLIFT V2 has a great value for money. Number 3. Vari Electric Standing Desk. The Vari Electric Standing Desk stood out immediately for its gorgeous work surface, which not only looked better than the competition, but was thicker, too. I especially liked its chamfered edges, and the fact that Vari throws in 2 hooks, so you can hang your purse or a set of headphones, as well as a coaster to protect its surface. What's more, the company also offers a range of accessories, from power strips to cable management trays to monitor arms, to fully outfit your desk. If you're not particularly enamored with the reclaimed wood of our review model, the company offers a variety of other materials, including white, butcher block, black, and dark wood. While not as varied as other standing desks on this page, each option was very attractive. The model I reviewed also came with a programmable control panel that let me set 4 preset heights for the desk, and had a small LCD readout that displayed its height. It's a feature you can get with most standing desks, and it's one worth spending a bit more on. What especially impressed me about the Vari desk was the ease with which I was able to put it together. It took about 15 minutes total to get everything assembled, about half the time as other standing desks I've tested. If you're not particularly handy, this is definitely the standing desk for you. Number 4. The best budget standing desk. Flexispot Electric Standing Desk. The Flexispot Electric Standing Desk is a great option for people who want to upgrade to a standing desk on a shoestring budget. To reach its low price of just over $200, Flexispot had to make some cuts, which is why this desk has a single motor and lacks the child lock settings you'll find on more expensive models. Still though, the Flexispot Electric Standing Desk can support up to 176 pounds and has a maximum height of 46.9 inches and a minimum height of 27.5 inches. I was really impressed with just how many more premium features this desk has, like its control panel with an LED display. While the Flexispot Electric Standing Desk is my new budget pick, during testing it felt sturdy at all times, and was still relatively quiet even with a single motor. I also like how there's a hook at the back of the desk that can be used for hanging your headphones, cables or other accessories. Also, there is a cable management tray available, but you will need to purchase it separately. Number 5. The best compact standing desk. Branch Duo Standing Desk. The Branch Duo Standing Desk is Branch's second standing desk, and it features a number of improvements over its predecessor, such as a frameless design that leaves extra space for an optional desk drawer. There's also a new OLED control paddle that reminds you when it's time to stand up. Branch even offers an optional cable management tray that affixes to the back of the desk, along with a custom power strip that screws onto the back of the desk. Besides these new improvements, one of the things I really like about the Duo Standing Desk is that in addition to a 48x 25-inch version, there's also a much more compact 36x 24-inch model, which is great for smaller workspaces and apartments. Branch also includes reusable inserts for this desk, so that it's easy to disassemble if you have to move. The Duo standing desk pairs well with the new Branch Vert Chair too.